If you're looking for mechanical hand wind alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 mechanical hand wind alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Sternreiter. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Sternreiter. Number 3, by AcuRite. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by PiLife. Number 5, by Jinberry. Find these mechanical hand wind alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Kaimao. Number 7, by Hense. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Kaimao. Number 9. Discover more mechanical hand wind alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by AcuRite.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.